Car wrapping has evolved from a practical solution for advertising to a sophisticated art form that allows luxury car owners to personalize their vehicles with unique designs and finishes. The process involves applying a vinyl film to the car's surface, offering a protective layer while transforming its appearance. For luxury cars, this customization comes at a premium, with costs varying based on several factors. Understanding car wrap costs. The cost of wrapping a luxury vehicle can range from $3,000 to over $10,000. Factors influencing the price include the type of wrap material, the complexity of the design, the size of the vehicle, and the intricacy of the installation process. High-end materials like chrome, color-shifting films, and custom graphics significantly increase the cost due to their premium quality and the specialized skills required for application. Types of premium wrap materials. Chrome wraps. These wraps offer a mirror-like finish that is highly reflective and eye-catching. The material is challenging to install without imperfections, making it one of the more expensive options. Color-shifting films. Also known as chameleon wraps, these films change color depending on the viewing angle and lighting conditions. Their complex application process and the need for precise alignment make them costly. Matte finishes. Matte wraps provide a sleek, non-reflective surface that exudes sophistication. While slightly less expensive than chrome or color-shifting wraps, they still require meticulous installation to avoid visible seams and imperfections. Custom graphics and designs. Incorporating custom artwork, logos, or intricate patterns into the wrap adds to the cost due to the design and printing processes involved. Factors affecting installation costs. The complexity of a vehicle's design plays a significant role in the overall cost. Luxury cars often feature curves, contours, and intricate body lines that demand a higher level of skill and precision during installation. Additionally, removing and reinstalling parts like mirrors, bumpers, and trim pieces to ensure a seamless wrap can add to labor costs. Maintenance and durability. Premium wraps not only enhance the vehicle's appearance but also provide a protective layer against scratches, UV rays, and minor abrasions. The durability of a wrap depends on the material used and the quality of installation. High-quality wraps can last between 5 to 7 years with proper care, including regular cleaning and avoiding harsh chemicals. Conclusion. Investing in a high-end car wrap offers luxury vehicle owners a unique opportunity to personalize their cars while protecting the original paint. The costs associated with premium wraps reflect the quality of materials, the complexity of designs, and the expertise required for installation. As the automotive customization industry continues to innovate, the possibilities for luxury car wraps are expanding, allowing owners to express their individuality in increasingly creative ways.